Here is a question on the screen. In triangle PQR, PS is a bisector of angle P. Prove that QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon PR. Here it is given that PQR is a triangle, PQR is a triangle and PS is a bisector, and since PS is a bisector, angle 1 and angle 2 will be the equal angles. This is given to us. And we have to prove that QS upon SR, that is equal to PQ upon PR. That we have to prove. Now see what we will have to do. We will have to draw TR, this RT, parallel to SP. This construction we are doing RT parallel to SP such that it will meet QP when extended at point T. So here we have constructed that RT is parallel to PS, correct? So RT is parallel to PS, that is by construction. And since this is parallel, these two are parallel in triangle TQR, correct? In triangle TQR, this PS is parallel to TR. So by basic proportionality theorem, we can write that QS upon SR, that is equal to QP, that is PQ upon PT. But here we have to prove that QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon PR. It means that PT should be replaced by PR. When we will replace PT by PR, if PT and PR are equal, it means first we will have to show that PT and PR are equal. So first we will try to show that PT and PR are equal. So in triangle this, we know that PS is parallel to TR, therefore PR will be the transversal. So PR will be the transversal and therefore angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal. Therefore angle 2, that is equal to angle 3. Reason is what? Alternate interior angles, correct? 2. This is a transversal, these two are parallel and therefore 2 and 3 will be the alternate interior angle and that ulterior interior angle will be equal. Also we know that this is parallel to this, and if we take this TQ as a transversal, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 4. But TQ is transversal, and since it is a transversal, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Why? That is the corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. Now similarly here we know that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Also angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is given. Why it is given? Because PS is a bisector and therefore angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. But here angle 1 is equal to angle 4 and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and therefore we can say that this 4 is equal to 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Therefore angle 4 is equal to angle 2. This angle 4 and angle 2 is also equal. But here angle 2 is equal to angle 3 and therefore this angle 3 and angle 4 will also be equal, and therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And since angle 3 is equal to angle 4, then we can say that in this triangle in this triangle these two angles are equal, and therefore sides opposite to equal angles will also be equal, and therefore we can say that PT is equal to PR. PT is equal to PR. So this PT is equal to PR, but we know that QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon PT, but PT is equal to what? PR, that we can replace here. So here, but QS upon SR, that is equal to PQ upon PT, that is by basic proportionality theorem. And therefore here PT, that is equal to PR, so we can replace PT by PR, and so QS upon SR, that is equal to PQ upon PR, hence proved. Now here is a question on the screen. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC such that AD square is equal to BD into CD. Prove that ABC is a right angled triangle. Here it is given that ABC is a triangle in which AD is perpendicular to BC. It means this is 90 degree and this will be also 90 degree. So here AD is perpendicular to BC, that is given, and it is also given that AD square that is equal to BD into CD. This is given. So AD square that is equal to BD into DC, this is given, and we have to show that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. So let this angle be number 3. This angle is 1, this angle is 2, and this angle is 4. Now here it is given that in triangle BDA, and triangle ADC, in this triangle and this triangle ADC, triangle ADC, it is given that AD square is equal to BD into CD. And since this we can write as AD into AD, then it means what? AD into AD, which is equal to BD into CD. So if you take AD to this side, it will be BD upon AD, that is equal to, if you take CD to other side, it will be AD upon CD. It means it is given that these ratios are equal. So in these two triangles, BD upon AD, that is equal to AD upon BC, and also these two angles are each 90 degrees, so these two angles are also equal. So angle BDA is equal to angle ADC, each is equal to 90 degree, because AD is perpendicular to BC. And therefore these two triangles will be similar triangle by SAS similarity rule, because these two ratios are equal and these two angles are also equal. BD upon AD is equal to AD upon DC, and the angles included by these two are also equal, and therefore triangle BDA is similar to triangle ADC. Reason will be what? SAS similarity rule. And since these two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles will also be equal. So angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3, therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 2, and angle 4 is equal to angle 1 because the corresponding angles of the similar triangle are equal. Now in triangle ABC, sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle this, it means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4, that will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4, that is equal to 180 degree. But angle 3 is equal to what? It is angle 2. So this is angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 2, and angle 4, here angle 4 is equal to angle 1, and so it will be plus angle 1, which is equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 plus angle 1, that is twice of angle 1, angle 2 plus angle 2, that will be twice of angle 2, so it will be twice of angle 1 plus angle 2, which is equal to 180 degree. So 2 ones are 2, 2 90s are 180, and so it is angle 1 plus angle 2, that is equal to 90 degree, and therefore angle BAC is equal to 90 degree, and therefore we will write that therefore triangle ABC is a right angled triangle.